Well, as ADAC Luftrettung, we have been operating HEMS missions in Germany for the last 55 years. So we are mainly inside of Germany. We have 40 bases throughout the country. We fly roughly 50,000 missions per year in EMS, primary missions and secondary missions. And we do believe that this new helicopter, the H140, will be the perfect fit for our type of operations.
Well, we operate in just about every environment here in the United States that you can think of, from ocean sides to hot and high environments. And I think in all environments, the H140 will be a superior aircraft, both in performance and capabilities inside the aircraft.
We as a company have always the expectation to deliver high quality service in all areas. And this new helicopter is the perfect match of size, speed and weight to operate also HEMS missions safely in especially urban environments.
We have 18 bases located from eastern Ohio out to the eastern seaboard, Baltimore, Washington, D.C. The performance will allow, higher altitude mountain performance. We do have a ridge of the Allegheny Mountains running right down the middle of our operating area.
So we operate 175 aircraft all over the United States, from every corner of the U.S. and everywhere in between. So high and hot, sea level, northeast, mountains in the northwest, and again, everywhere in between. So this aircraft, we think, is going to be the perfect fit for any of those environments.